Hey, Mama.
Hello, darling.
How are ya?
Hello.
I'm good. I'm good. How are you?
I'm really good. All the better now that you've called me.
Well, I'm calling you to say Happy Mother's Day, first of all.
Thank you.
I know I'm a few days early, but listen, what I wanted to do was make you a special dish. I thought I'd make you a prawn risotto because I know how much you love seafood.
Oh, yummy.
Now, you're going to have to make it for yourself, okay, because I'm not there to do it for you in person, but I promise when I see you next, which won't be long, I'll do it for you in person.
Oh, thank you.
Love you, Mama.
Love you too, darling.
Okay.
Miss you lots.
You too, babe. Bye.
Bye.
All right, let's get cooking. This is a really simple one to do. You start off with a pan. It doesn't have to be super hot, but it has to be at least warm. Pour a little bit of olive oil, and then we're going to throw our onions. Now, I've just chopped up a brown onion here. Toss that in. You'll hear it sizzle straight away. Once you've got that nice sweat on your onions and they're starting to look just a little translucent like mine are, time to add your garlic. You just give it a couple of stirs, just maybe for a minute or two, and then it's time to throw in your rice. Give it a stir around. You can mix the onions with the rice. We're going to toast the rice like this for about a minute. So next, we're going to deglaze the pan with a little bit of white wine. So that rice will start to boil pretty much instantly, and you continue to stir. Once that wine's been absorbed into the rice, it's time to throw in your veggies. So I'm going to start here with my butternut pumpkin. Once that liquid has been absorbed, and we started with the white wine, then you go with a ladle full of chicken stocks. Okay, I'm going to throw in my fennel next. So scoop up all that beautiful fennel. Right, I'm going to stick another ladle of stock in, and then it's time to throw in the prawns. Now, they only take a couple of minutes to cook, so we're getting to the business end of this. I've still got to flavour the risotto, right? It's a big bowl of rice with stock, so we've got to season it. So we start off with a little bit of sea salt, then a little bit of lemon zest. So don't just think of seasoning as salt and pepper. You can see those prawns start to turn pink. Beautiful, you can tell that they're almost cooked. I want this still to be a healthy dish, but I'm going to use a little bit of butter and then a little parmesan cheese, and then throw in my parsley. To be perfectly honest, it is beautiful enough to serve it in this gorgeous pan. I mean, look at that. Whatever your traditions are around Mother's Day, whether it's a big fancy dinner, just spoil it as much as you can. Happy Mother's Day.